Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your CGL 2025 application ID, active account, and a compliant photo file. Open the application portal, sign in, and go straight to the Photo Upload section. Why start here? Because the portal validates format immediately, saving time. Take a fresh photo or select the prepared JPEG/PNG, then click Upload. Once done, observe the preview area for framing and size warnings, so you can fix issues before moving on. You now refine the image using the portal's editor. First, crop and center your face so it occupies about 50 to 70% of the frame. This ensures biometric checks pass. Next, rotate or straighten, then remove glare or shadows by retaking or adjusting exposure. If the site flags file size, compress slightly while keeping clarity. Small artifacts can fail validation. Make sure the background stays neutral and clothing contrasts with skin, so automated checks accept it. You finish by submitting the adjusted photo and watching for an immediate confirmation symbol or code. That tells you the upload passed validation. If the upload fails, read the specific error message. Most rejections cite format, size, face visibility, or background issues. Then retake or reprocess the image accordingly. If problems persist, try a different browser, clear cache, or use the portal's contact option with your application ID. One tip: restarting the device often resolves camera permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.